Welcome, wonderful dreamers. Today I'm gathering the last of the summer harvest while fixing some beds for winter. And I learn a new skill so I can take out a tall problem. I love butternut pumpkins, and each year I get better at growing them. I'm only collecting the green ones to see what they will look like all together in a bunch. So cute. The pumpkin bed is nearly completely weeded and ready for winter crops or just sugarcane mulch. The onions I missed in this bed have started growing again. And as I clear it out, I sprinkle carrot seed from the dried carrot umbels. At the moment, I'm just using them as ground cover. I am just wanting to prevent weeds, and I have the seed in abundance. Hi Max, you're such a beautiful boy. I'm going to bring in all the tomatoes. Most of them should ripen inside the house. If I leave them outside, the frost will damage them. And the frost is on its way.
Green up.
I'm slowly pulling the plants from this bed too. A couple of weeks ago, I planted garlic. It has started to come up, which means it's thriving in this spot, and it should split over winter to form the bulb. Then in spring, it will bulk up. The blueberry bush has bounced back well, considering it was hit with frost, then left to survive without water. The last of the zinnias. See you in spring, pretty flowers. That's a decent harvest for the end of this season. And exciting to already be setting the garden up for the next one. The snow peas are loving the cool weather and are growing faster than I thought they would. The onion seeds for next season have sprouted. And I'm not deadheading the roses so they develop rose hips. And the white rose I pruned and shaped not only survived my experiment, it's as healthy as it's ever been. And speaking of plants that survived my pruning, this Australian beauty has bounced back. I hope it flowers one day so I can work out what it is. My makeshift coverings seem to be working and the herbs are still growing. I'm still picking fresh basil, and I'm going to give the parsley a little bit more time before I start harvesting from it. Here's another plant I thought it was lost but has bounced back, the raspberry bush. The beautiful white yarrow is doing well in this spot. While I can't think of their proper name at the moment, they commonly referred to as grape hyacinth, and I am looking forward to lots of them in spring. And I have yarrow growing in this bed as well. All the daffodil bulbs are preparing for winter too. And a few buds that didn't quite make it to the blooming stage. But now that I'm out the front, I've learned a new skill and it's time to use it. I am so pleased to have finally used a chainsaw. I have a couple of bushes or plants that have been allowed to grow too big. This cordyline has outgrown this space. It was about time I take it out and replace with something more native or pollinator friendly. Something tells me I'm having fun. I will divide this up so it can go into the green waste to be collected. Well, that was really cool. I had so much fun. What is something that you have learnt recently, and how did it go? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you had a good day.